Good morning, loves! I am with Anna, my friend. And
yay! Di ba ganun yung mga
yung kanya, sariling sikap yung...
Yay!
We are in Cebu, and today is actually the day for Sinulog, so we're gonna get ready together, and we're gonna be answering some of your questions while getting ready. If you guys are interested, please
continue watching.
Guys, walang signal kasi it's Sinulog.
So, yung mga
questions
na maaaga lang yung nakita namin.
Oo nga.
Parang mga hanggang 11 or 12 lang.
Ito yung first. How do you girls maintain clear skin? Tingnan mo. I have marks.
So, ba? Sure kayo na yan yung questions niyo. Pero, sige.
Sige, ikaw first.
Ako, wala akong skincare routine talaga. Parang, ang facial wash ko, Cetaphil lang. Tapos, ang ginagawa ko lang talaga is yung Aztec. Yun talaga para sa akin. Sobrang helpful siya. Kasi before, mayroong time na parang
nag-breakout ka.
Nag-breakout yung skin ko, ganyan. Kasi yung Aztec, parang alas in everyday ko siya.
Oh, pwede ba yun?
Oo, parang meron kasi akong watch na pwede naman daw in any time, tsaka as much as you want it. Parang, so, yun.
Ako, a good, lang talaga, good soap. Kasi, and then, syempre, I take off my makeup every night. Ibang kasing girls, they sleep with it on. So, nagkaka-pimples sila. Alam mo yung, when you get out, when you get back from a night out, tapos, super tired ka na.
Kasi usually night out, guys. Kaya maganda yung skin niya. Kasi 12 hours yung sleep niya everyday. Tapos hindi siya nagna-night out.
Hindi kasi ako mahilig mag-drink ng alcohol. Mahilig ako mag-drink ng
milk tea.
So, I stay in lang, ganyan. Hindi nagpupuyat. Joke. I mean,
nagpupuyat siya. Pero for
For what?
Wala. For phone, for social media, ganyan. Makikita mo siya mga GAM online.
Basta just wash your face and make sure it's really clean. So, I use a makeup remover, tapos nag-wash ako ng face, and then
Pure Derm ba yung gamit?
Nag-toner ako.
Yun yung gamit ko yung makeup remover wipes.
Ako pa iba-iba minsan. Ang tagal ng sagot natin sa isang question, nakakatawa. How close is Anna to your family? Masyado. Tingnan mo, dito siya, magkatabi kami matulog. Roomies kami.
Feel ko mas close pa ako kay Brent. Kasi merong funny na nangyari kasi...
Patay nagmimito.
Kasi pinadalan ako ni Ash ng nag-buy kayo para sa akin ng pang coffee, diba?
We bought Anna a coffee sleeve. Tapos, kaming lahat na girls na mag-pizza meron.
Tapos, meron si Ref. Basta meron
si yung best friend ko, si Fatima, binilhan ko. Tapos, ang nakalimutan namin bigyan si Brent. Pero si Anna naalala namin.
Nagsunod ko kay Brent, parang siya, bakit wala yung name ko dyan? So, medyo hindi naman po ako close.
Mas naaalala siya minsan kaysa kay Brent. Sorry, Brent.
Ano po kayo nagkakilalang dalawa? Ikaw naman kwento.
Ayun. Wow. So, Anna is Brent's girlfriend. Brent is my cousin. We met nung nagsistart pa lang silang mag-date. And it's so funny.
Siguro mga second date pa lang.
Oo. Tapos, pinakilala na siya ni Brent. Wow. In love. So, nag-bond kami sa house ko. Sa house ko agad. And then we had dinner. Tapos yun, every time nagde-date sila, may time kasi when I was single, ina-adopt nila ako palagi. So, palagi akong third wheel sa kanila. As in, every Friday yun. Kasi parang sabay yung dismissal namin or something from class. Or basta magkalapit lang yung time. So, every Friday, alam na, nalalabas kami. And then, wala lang. Like, kung saan-saan tayo kumakain, nagko-Korean kami, or like...
Lagi siya nag-rant about,
Sabi ko, papakilala
next time daw, meron na daw.
May partner na ako. Yan, nung nagka-partner ako, hindi na ako sumasama.
Oo, parang hindi na kami nagbabond. Hi. Ayan, ito na yung favorite question natin, Ash. Coffee or milk? One lang.
Ikaw?
Ako coffee. Talaga.
Tignan na nga kung ano answer mo yun na din.
Uy, nung simula nang nag-Cebu kami,
lahat ng food namin matching.
Food namin pareho.
Oo.
Kasi lahat ng in-order niya, or in-order ko, yun lang. Magdadepend lang sa isa sa amin.
Para hindi na mahirap mag-isip. So, since coffee siya. Coffee. Iced coffee though, hindi hot.
Hindi ka na nag-hot, diba?
Diba? Hindi ako mahilig yan.
Okay, ito. How to build self-esteem and what are your motivations sa mga low on confidence?
To build self-esteem. Well, it starts with yourself kasi you have to learn how to love yourself muna. Kasi if you don't, tapos palagi mo kinukompare yung sarili mo sa iba, you're always gonna feel bad talaga.
Tsaka ang kakompetensya mo lang dapat yung sarili mo.
Yeah. Parang dapat minomotivate mo lang yung sarili mo to be better, ganyan. Pero not because may tinatry kang habulin na ibang person. Kasi syempre, iba-iba tayo ng
strengths and weaknesses.
Yeah, and like, iba-iba tayo ng pace, ng pag-grow, and like,
parang today time niya. Tapos,
bukas
time ko na.
Sige, ako pa. One thing po na nagkakasundo po kayo, pa-shoutout po. Trisha Salamante. Hi. Hi, Trisha.
Hi.
Ayun, so pag-drink ng coffee, or milk tea din, paminsan.
Dati, hindi talaga ako milk tea person. Simula nang nakilala ko lang kayo.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi ako talaga ma-milk tea before, as in coffee lang. Tapos yun, si Brent. Kasi parang
ang hilig
every after niya kumain, gusto niya may milk tea. Para daw ma-digest yung kinain.
Whatever. Ano po ang course niyo? Love you po. CYKA1R. Basahin mo nga. Ika 1R.
Ako, International Hospitality Management. 4th year na ako. Actually, done ako with academics. Practicum na lang. So, I will be graduating in March next year. Ikaw?
Ako,
marketing.
I took up marketing. But, I graduated na. So, I'm done. What's your favorite eye palette? By IMZ.
Ako yung peach. Peachy, what do you call that? Yung Too Faced. Ayan.
Peach.
Just, hindi. Too Faced. Lalagay na lang po namin.
Lalagay namin yung picture tsaka yung
yan, yung
basta yung peach ng Too Faced.
Kasi sobrang bango, tsaka I'm more into yung mga peach na.
Bagay kasi sa kanya. Ako, I really like the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Pero when I'm tamad, pag tamad tayo, yung ginagamit natin.
Ay, siya. Ay, yung ano lang, yung
lipsticks.
Na, especially Vicky.
This one.
Gaganon mo lang talaga. Or, yung KJM na chick din.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi mo ba ginagawa yun?
Hindi pa.
Ganun lang. Kapag, kasi gusto ko, pareho yung shade ng cheeks sa eyes ko. So,
pag vacay gamit mo sa cheeks mo, vacay din.
Oo.
Talaga. Try natin ngayon.
Sige.
Mamaya.
Yung KJM na kumalat sa
Oo nga eh. Maganda yung KJM. Have you guys tried it? The lip and cheek tint. Kaya lang, kumakalat siya. Sumasabog siya sa roller niya na container.
Kahapon yung legs ko.
Mukha siyang dinudugo kahapon.
Okay, hindi ako marunong magkilay. Feeler lang ako.
Lorna Viohan asked, first time niyo lang ba mag-experience ang Sinulog Festival? Yes. So, we don't know what to expect, but today yun. So, we'll vlog it and hopefully masaya siya.
Yes, let's be cheesy. From EA Marriage _ what do you like about each other?
Nothing. Joke. Magaling po siyang magkulot ng buhok.
Ay, okay, makikita niyo yun sa
vlog namin.
Sa vlog ni Ash.
What I like about Anna, she's so kulit kasi. So, kahit nung una, like, when we were close pa, parang it's so easy to be close to her kasi she's such a bubbly person. Parang, she's happy and, like, super kulit all the time. So, it's hard not to be close to her.
Tsaka before I call you, ano pa eh, Ate Ashley.
Yuck!
Mga 4 months. Ano pa? Magsabi ka po. Madami.
Ito, ayan. Magandang-maganda siya. Yan, pinipilit na niya ako.
Labas.
And even if she's like an actress, she's very humble. Like, she's not the type na mahirap pakisamahan. And she's not maarte. That's what I like.
Excuse me?
Ayan, like enough din na yung bat. Hindi, promise. She's easy to get along with. Tapos you really be close to her. Kasi nga, she's nice. And she's humble. Tapos pwede kang mag-open up sa kanya. You can trust her. So, ayun. Happy kapag kasama mo siya sa kulit niya.
Sinulog. Ito. Yung, ano gamitin? Gamitin natin yung fake.
Hindi, kahit ano.
So, this is my blush on. Yung MAC na Peaches. Yun din yung nalalagay ko sa eyelids ko. So, like, pareho yung shade ng cute. Tsaka, light lang siya.
Uy, hindi ka pa nakakatakas Hindi pa tapos, hindi mo sinagot yung question.
Bakit? Sabi, what do you like about me?
Whatever.
Okay, so,
wala din.
no, wait lang. Fresh. What I like about Ash? Siguro, ano? Hindi, actually, sobrang dami. Hindi, kasi, hindi ko alam. Hindi kami talaga nahirapan na maging close sa isa't isa. Parang, wala ang bilis. Nung muna niya akong na-meet, very welcoming siya. Alam mo yung
welcoming committee.
Oo, parang usher. Hindi. Basta, very, ano siya, yun, easy to get along with din. At saka, parang, sobrang lovable mo.
Wow.
Oo, at saka yun, parang, same din kami ng wavelength. Parang, kung ano din, same kami ng mga gusto, ganyan. Tsaka, yan, sobrang happy ko kapag kasama ko siya. Tsaka, expert siya mag-third wheel dati talaga.
Magaling ba?
Tsaka magaling siya mag-take ng photos.
Thank you. Yun pala yun.
Yep.
OMG, oo nga. This trip, kami yung take ng photos together.
Kasi ano,
niiwan kami ng boys.
kasi
so, kami na lang
boys yung
mag-picture.
kasama namin. So, wala kaming maasa.
What is your favorite blush as of the moment?
Okay, ito. The Peaches, but sa MAC.
Oh, this one was given to me by my best friend, si Fats, on Christmas. It's really nice. It's from Dior. It's called the Rosy Glow na blush. Mukha siyang sobrang pink, pero pag tumatagal kasi siya, parang nagsisink siya sa skin mo. Maganda siya. It's really, really nice. Favorite local brand of makeup? Siyempre, yan na nga. We talked about it kanina. For me, KJM, na lip and cheek tip. Maganda. Or, actually, Sunny's is also a local brand. So, Sunny's is really nice.
Ako, ano, Happy Skin.
Yeah, they're nice too.
Yung,
at saka, I like BLK din. Yung mga lipsticks nila, they're really nice also. Here, I have one. Yung soft matte. Can I try your blush?
Go.
Let's see how it looks like.
Tapos lagyan mo na din sa eyes mo.
Peach.
Pareho na din tayo ng
sige.
Talaga alam kung i-expect sa Sinulog.
Guys, have you been to Sinulog? Ano yung experience niyo? You can comment it down below so we can read it also. Tingnan natin kung same din.
Ash, ano mo to? Ito naman, sobrang helpful niya.
Yun ang badala mo? Totoo?
Hindi, na pang eyeshadow tsaka pang blush. Tapos meron itong foundation brush na maliit lang. Pang travel.
Cute. She got this parang set from Real Techniques.
Travel size lang siya, sobrang liit. So, pwede mo dalhin anywhere. 3 pieces siya. Merong eyeshadow brush, merong blush, tsaka parang merong foundation brush pa lang. I got it for like 800. So,
saan?
pwede na. Sa SM department store.
Yeah, meron ata talaga sila. Oh, I love it. Tingnan mo, ang nice niya.
Oh, diba?
This one is the Peaches from MAC. Super nice. Sige, I'll buy na. I'll buy. I love it. So, tapos na ba? The lipstick. KJM. Ay, anong favorite highlight mo?
Yung pagka on special occasions, yung Becca, pa rin, na champagne.
Champagne pop. Or pang everyday
Pero pang everyday ko, yung Happy Skin.
Listen Up Precision Highlight.
Listen Up, Joe.
Ay, yun na. Yun na yung talent niya, singing.
Uy, kumanta ka na.
Ako, ito yung favorite ko. This one is the MAC. Soft and gentle.
Yun yung meron sa captions mo ito.
Ganyan lang siya, oh. Like, pag natatamaan ng sun. Kailan mo ng brush?
Yep.
Nalagay ko siya hanggang sa cheeks, eh. Ayan. Hanggang dito. Is it just me? Alam mo bakit? Kasi nung minakeupan ako ni RB Shampoo before, yung highlight ko hanggang dito niya nilagay. Mas maganda siya.
Para pag sa picture,
ano talaga.
Ang ganda ng picture natin kahapon yung dito. Parang nag-catch ng light yung yung cheeks mo talaga.
Ilagay mo hanggang dito. So it's really nice.
Okay, last question.
Last question naman.
Or two. Last two.
Wait. Wow. How do you see yourself 5 or 10 years from now and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
5 to 10 years from now?
Ito na. Oh, sige. Ikaw muna.
Oh my God. Ilang taon na ako? Oh my God, I'll be 27. Ilang taon ka na, no? 25 pa lang siya, guys. That time. So, bata pa siya. Siguro naman, sana naman I have like a business of my own or like I started something na
for yourself.
Yeah, that I can earn from talaga, ganun. Siyempre, I'll put all my earnings to good use. Yung para siyempre, hindi ka puro spend lang. And I'd wanna be able to travel na siguro with me, with you, my friends, gano'n. Yung mga ka-age ko, iwan namin sila parents. Joke. Lalakwatsa muna yung mga bata. Yun, I wanna have a place of my own din in the future. Ikaw ba? Gusto mo ba magka-sariling place?
Yun yung first thing na gusto kong gawin.
I wanna be able to afford having my own place. But siguro by that time, sana naman.
Feel ko. Tapos, 25? Bata pa ako naman. Yan, to have a place of my own and travel.
Yeah.
Travel talaga. Dapat before tayo mag-asawa.
Ayun, what is your travel destination or travel goal daw? Saan mo gusto? She wanted to bring me to Bali.
Kasi, pang friends siya talaga. Pang
may cafe.
Yung mga cute cafes, drinking places.
Wow. Coffee.
Yeah.
Places. She showed me her photos kahapon because the place we went to was Sirao and it kind of looked like a little piece of Bali na parang meron siya ng mga nest, meron siya ng mga So sabi niya, she was showing me the photos from Bali. Sabi niya, super nice daw and we should go there. Yeah. Ako, I think I want us to go. Well, they're going to the States for an internship. I think I want us to go to the States together or Europe. Yun lang. We're ready na. We're just gonna put on lip and cheek tint.
Well, ito, hindi siya natapos ito. Ako, then wait. Ganda ng hair niya.
Kasi siya
gumawa. Sana Ash. This 2019. Natutuwa.
Ganda din ang hair niya kasi
Ako
hindi ako yung gumawa. Okay. This is the final look for today for Sinulog.
Pang thumbnail ko to.
Okay. Ay, ang kulit. Oh, ayan. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow her on her social media. What's your...
Ana Vicente 09.
Bakit 09?
Kasi that's my birthday. Kasi wala nang Ana Vicente. Ana_Vicente.
Okay.
So yun yung suggestion na Instagram.
So yun yung nilagay. Okay, please don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed. And click subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you guys in our next videos. Thank you for watching.